If you've ever been to an acupuncturist and had cupping, I'm going to show you how to get some of the results at home using these things right here. My name is Dr. Story. I've been a chiropractor for over 23 years. I'm going to give you realistic advice based on my experience. Cupping is something that became popular and is used a lot with acupuncturists, and we use it in our office too. And you can get these online. I'm going to give you a link to Amazon, and I'll put that down below. You can just get some yourself. They're not very expensive. And what happens is I use these in my office. They're really good. And I'll show you how they work. What you can do is you can use this any place where you have pain in muscles, or I use them in my office when people have peripheral nerve entrapments. And what you do is you would simply put it on the skin, compress it down, and it creates a suction. So I'll show you this on my forearm here, and it just, you can see it just sucks up, and very often what'll happen is it's very forceful, and it just creates a nice suction, and you can hold it there for a period of time. This is useful if you have pain, especially in your back. Very often it'll relieve pain, sometimes temporarily, but if you do it repeatedly, if you have a peripheral nerve entrapment, these work very, very well. So again, I'll leave a link down below, but they're very, very simple. You simply put them on the skin, compress them, let them go, and the suction comes up. Again, anywhere, the place where you have pain, you can use it. See, it just stays right there. So if you like my videos, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, ask in the comment section below.